Hello everyone and welcome to this reading comprehension activity. We are going to take the activity called Study Skills Tips. First of all, you have to classify the words when using the verb make and when using do. Okay, progress. We say I make progress. What about extra practice? I say I do extra practice. Group activities. I do group activities too. Mistake. I make a mistake. I made a mistake in the past tense, of course. Your homework. You know it is I do my homework. And you make notes. What about a list? A list. You make a list. Okay. That was the first part of our activity. Then you had to read this text. And after that, pay attention to the sentences and you have to decide if they are true or false. The first one, good language learners don't make mistakes. What do you think about it? Of course, it is false. It is part of learning. So all of us make mistakes when we are learning. Number two, it's a good idea to talk with other students. Of course it is. So it is true. Take notes only before an exam. What do you think about it? Of course not. False. We have to take notes every time we need. We have to do it. Number four, good language learners write down the words and expressions they learn. Of course, they have to. True. Number five, think of language you know when you are outside the classroom. True, yes, it's a very good idea. Number six, don't take tests outside the class, outside of class. I mean, it's very stressful. False. It is necessary. So let's continue. The second activity here, you can see that you see a verb and you have to change it into a noun. So, of course, here, learn is a verb, the action of learning, and the noun is learning or learner. What's that? It is the process of getting knowledge, suggest. The noun for the verb suggest is suggestion. It is an idea or a plan that someone suggests. Communicate. Okay, communication. You know that it is the act of communicating. Mean. Okay, mean is a verb and meaning is the verb. Okay, what's that? Meaning. The meaning of words, signs, or actions is what they represent. Then pronounce. Pronunciation is the noun of this verb. Pronunciation is the way we pronounce words. And finally, motivate as an action, as a verb, as noun, as follows. Motivation. Motivation is enthusiasm for doing something. I remember you that all of these reading activities are taken from British Council website. So I invite you to go there. Thank you very much.